What is Lesotho known for? Lesotho is a landlocked country situated in southern Africa, entirely surrounded by South Africa. Did you know that Lesotho transfers 40% of all its water to South Africa? It is known as the Kingdom in the Sky because of its high altitude, with the entire country situated at over 1,000 meters above sea level, one of the few countries in the world lying above this elevation. Lesotho is 30,355 square kilometers and is slightly larger than the US state of Maryland. The highest point in Lesotho is Tabana Ntlenyana, which stands at 3,482 meters and is the highest peak in southern Africa. Lesotho has a GDP of 2.2 billion US dollars and a population of 2.3 million people. The Maloti Mountains form a natural boundary between Lesotho and South Africa, with the Drakensberg Range extending into Lesotho. Hotel prices across the country vary. Afri Ski Mountain Resort is Lesotho's only ski resort, and in the fourth week of July has an average of 5.5 inches of snow. Lesotho has a stunning natural scenery, including waterfalls, valleys, and alpine meadows. Agriculture is the primary economic activity in Lesotho, with much of the land suitable for grazing livestock and growing crops such as maize and wheat.